Here is how you can use email to receive iMessage instead of using phone number. This follows process doesn't require any phone number to receive or send iMessage on iPhone. So, without wasting any more time, let's look at on how to set email to send or receive phone number on iPhone. To set email, open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down, find out Message from here. Now, you need to app Send and Receive. Select your iCloud account instead of your number. If these is already selected, your number, uncheck your number. Make sure that you are only using your email. You can also remove the number from here just to make sure that you are not using your phone number. From next time, you can send or receive any message on iPhone without your phone number. Even if you are not using your SIM, your iMessage will be active with your iCloud account. So guys, that's the of using only email to active your iMessage instead of using phone number. Still have question? Please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.